How to remove Bing from Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Google Chrome has a lot of search engines that you can choose from. But if you whenever search for something, it gives you the results in Bing search engine. It means that the default search engine is set to be Bing, and I'll show you now how you can change it. Click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then go to your settings, and from the basics section click on search engine. As you can see, it's set to Bing, so choose another search engine, say for example Yahoo or DuckDuckGo or even Google. Let's set it to Google. Once you go back and open new window, let's run search. As you can see, the results now are in Google search engine, which means that you just removed Bing. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and remove the Bing search engine from Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.